Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this 1-minute tutorial we will learn how to change the default plane size in Catia. So let's go to Catia. So first of all, I'll go to here Start and then Mechanical Design, and I will select this one, Part Design, and select OK. Now you can see the default plane sizes in Catia is very small and it is very difficult and it can make modeling a bit tricky. So to fix this, go to here Tools, Options, and then Infrastructure, and under Infrastructure go to here Part Infrastructure and then Display, and here you can increase or decrease this access system display. So it is currently 12 millimeters, so I will change it to, let's say maximum is 100, maybe I can change it to 70. Select OK. Now you can see the default plane sizes are bigger and it is much easier to work with. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.